QUBT stock analysis and price predictions for Monday. Is quantum computing stock a buy? I'm about to be breaking this down in this very short and brief 1 minute video. Now here's the biggest thing here. With QBot or quantum, I've been just buying like crazy. Like I've gotten 4 links here, just 4 video link proofs of me buying, and it was great. You know, if you've been watching my videos, you know this, you see this. Lately, what I've been looking forward to is still buying, but how it's set up for me is that like, the only thing that I'm going to look to buy here is if I start to see a full candle close about 1723. And guess what? We're not there yet. We're not there yet. But notice how I say yet, because I'm expecting to be there. I'm expecting that, but it's not that I'm going to randomly buy. You know what I mean? So we're going to see whatever we break first. Is it going to be the top or the bottom? And if the bottom goes first, then this is going to be diluted, and that long is not going to sit there. You know, obviously I'll update you, but going so far into the future, it's just not going to serve anyone. So if you want to stay tuned to get free money making emails and insights, then just click the first link in the description, and I'll see you in the next one.